Hi, this is the MOTOROLA Edge 40 Neo and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the icon changer app on this device. So first we should get the X icon changer app from the Play Store. That's why in the search we'll enter the X icon changer. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So after that, tap to open the app and you'll see here just all of the available applications on your device, which icons you could change. For example, let's select one from the available applications. You could rename it if you want. Here we got library with different folders with the icons. We could use them, or to select photo from the device gallery, or to take a picture in camera app. So let's use one from the available icons. Tap to OK in the right upper corner. Just wait a couple of seconds to skip them. And now we could add our launch to home screen. So now let's change next icon by the same way, or go to the desktop directly. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.